Hello everyone. Japan has 4 seasons, and each season has its own dishes that make use of seasonal ingredients. This time, we will introduce 4 seasonal special dishes that should be eaten in spring, summer, autumn, and winter. We have incorporated not only special high-class dishes, but also common tastes that are familiar in Japanese homes, so please read to the end. In Japan, there is a philosophy of eating seasonal foods in their season. In-season ingredients are most nutritious and taste the best during that season, so they have a positive effect on health. In addition, a diet that follows the natural flow of the season also has the effect of boosting immunity and improving the condition of the body. In addition, seasonal ingredients are harvested in abundance during that season, so they have the advantage of being cheaper and putting less strain on the environment. By actively incorporating seasonal ingredients from the region, we can reduce food miles and protect the global environment. Now, let's take a look at some delicious dishes for each season. Chapter 1: Spring Dishes. Spring is the season when new life sprouts, and it is the time when wild vegetables and seafood are delicious. Here are 4 dishes you should definitely try in the spring. 1. Bamboo shoot rice. This is rice cooked with bamboo shoots, which are in season in the spring. Bamboo shoots have a crunchy texture and a subtle sweetness, and are seasoned with dashi, soy sauce, mirin, and other ingredients. Kyoto and Kyushu are particularly famous for their bamboo shoots, and they are a staple of home cooking in the spring. Bamboo shoots are also rich in dietary fiber, which is expected to have the effect of regulating the intestinal environment. 2. Shirasu rice bowl. This is a rice bowl dish that uses plenty of shirasu young sardines, which is in season in the spring. It is common to put fresh shirasu on white rice, and eat it with soy sauce or ponzu sauce. In areas where raw shirasu is available, such as Shizuoka and Kanagawa, raw shirasu rice bowls are also popular. It is a simple dish that allows you to fully enjoy the taste of spring. Shirasu is also rich in calcium, making it a recommended ingredient for growing children and those concerned about bone health. 3. Boiled rape blossoms. This is a boiled dish made with rape blossoms, which are in season in the spring. Rape blossoms have a bitter flavor, and are lightly boiled and then served with dashi soy sauce and mustard. This dish makes you feel the arrival of spring, and is highly nutritious, making it perfect for a healthy diet. It is particularly rich in vitamin C and iron, so it is expected to be effective in improving immunity and preventing anemia. 4. Sakura shrimp tempura. This is a tempura dish made with sakura shrimp, which are in season in the spring. Sakura shrimp are characterized by their translucent pink color, and the crispy fried tempura makes you feel the arrival of spring. It is easy to make by simply mixing with tempura flour and frying, and it is delicious when eaten with salt and tempura sauce. Sakura shrimp contains a component called astaxanthin, which is expected to have antioxidant properties. As you can see, spring is full of delicious ingredients. Enjoy the taste of the season. Chapter 2: Summer Dishes. In summer, light dishes to get through the heat, and dishes that build stamina are popular. To prevent summer fatigue, dishes that use nutritious ingredients, or ingredients with a high water content are especially recommended. 1. Hiyashi chuka. In summer, hiyashi chuka is eaten at many ramen shops and at home. Chilled Chinese noodles are topped with ingredients such as ham, cucumber, tomato, and shredded egg, and then eaten with a soy sauce-based or sesame sauce. Many people will feel the arrival of summer when they see a sign saying we've started serving hiyashi chuka in a store. The sesame sauce in particular is rich and has a mellow flavor. Adding steamed chicken or jellyfish as ingredients will give you even more variety in texture and flavor. 2. Goya chanpuru. Goya chanpuru, a local Okinawan dish, is the perfect dish to beat the summer heat. Bitter melon is rich in vitamin C, and its unique bitterness is softened by frying it. It is usually eaten stir-fried with tofu, eggs, and pork, and is perfect as a side dish for rice or as a snack. Pork in particular is rich in vitamin B1, which is effective in preventing summer fatigue. In Okinawa, adding spam is also popular. 3. Somen. Somen, a summer staple, is a simple dish of thin noodles that are rinsed in cold water and then dipped in noodle soup. It is easy to swallow even on hot days, and is perfect for the summer when your appetite is low. Adding green onions, ginger, and shiso leaves as condiments enhances the flavor, and makes it refreshing to eat. Toppings such as tomatoes, avocados, and tuna are also popular. 4. Grilled eel. Grilled eel is often eaten on doyo no ushi no hai. Grilled eel coated with a sweet and spicy sauce is fragrant and goes great with white rice. Eel is rich in vitamins A and E, which are expected to be effective in recovering from fatigue and improving immunity. In the Kanto region, eel is steamed and then grilled for a fluffy texture, while in the Kansai region, eel is grilled directly to bring out its fragrant flavor, and the cooking method varies depending on the region. Incorporate these refreshing and nutritious dishes into your summer diet, to help you build a body that can withstand the heat. Chapter 3: Autumn Cooking. Autumn is a season rich in delicious ingredients, so much so that it is said to be the season of appetite. During this time, many seasonal ingredients, such as fish, mushrooms, root vegetables, and fruits, are easy to obtain, and they are also highly nutritious. This time, we will introduce even more dishes that you should definitely try in the fall. 1. Grilled salted sori sanma no shioyaki. When it comes to autumn flavors, sanma Pacific sori is the first thing that comes to mind. The classic way to eat fatty sori is to simply grill it with salt, and eat it with grated daikon radish and soy sauce. In autumn, they are widely available at supermarkets, and their appeal is that they are available at affordable prices. However, in recent years, prices have risen due to a decrease in catches. In addition to being grilled with salt, they can also be enjoyed as sashimi, kabayaki, or nanbanzuke. Especially fresh sori can be enjoyed as sashimi, to bring out the original flavor of the sori. 2. Mushroom hot pot. Autumn is the season for delicious mushrooms. Mushroom hot pots, which use plenty of shiitake, enoki, shimji, and maitake mushrooms, are exquisite, with the flavor of the broth soaking in. They are especially popular around October, when the weather starts to get cold, and are served with ponzu or miso-based soups. Mushrooms are low in calories and rich in dietary fiber, so they are recommended for health-conscious people. You can also add chicken or pork to increase the volume, and make it a satisfying dish. 3. Chestnut rice. Chestnut rice is made with chestnuts, a representative taste of autumn. The sweetness of the fluffy chestnuts matches perfectly with rice. If you mix it with glutinous rice and cook it, you can enjoy an even more chewy texture. Peeling chestnuts is a bit of a hassle, but you can easily make it using commercially available peeled chestnuts. A simple seasoning of just salt is delicious, but adding soy sauce or sake to cook it will make it even more flavorful. 4. Sweet potato sweets. In autumn, sweet and fluffy sweet potatoes are in season. They can be enjoyed as a variety of sweets, including baked sweet potatoes, university sweet potatoes, and sweet potato pudding. Baked sweet potatoes in particular are a popular way to eat them, as they are simple, yet allow you to fully enjoy the sweetness of the ingredients. Sweet potatoes are also rich in dietary fiber, and are effective in preventing constipation. In autumn, there are many delicious ingredients in a wide variety of dishes. Please enjoy cooking with seasonal ingredients. Chapter 4: Winter Dishes. Winter is a season when people crave warm food to survive the cold. Many foods that warm the body, such as hot pot dishes and stews, appear. There are also many ingredients known for their winter flavors. 1. Oden. Oden is perfect for the cold winter and is a home-cooked dish loved all over Japan. Ingredients such as daikon radish, eggs, konnyaku, chikuwa, hanpan, and beef tendon are enjoyed in a broth that has been simmered for a long time. The seasoning and ingredients vary depending on the region, with Kanto being characterized by a strong broth and Kansai being characterized by a light broth. Miso oden is famous in Nagoya, and Shizuoka oden with black hanpan is famous. It is also sold at convenience stores in winter, and is a taste that the common people can easily enjoy. 2. Oyster dotenabe. Oyster dotenabe is eaten in oyster-producing areas such as Hiroshima Prefecture. The inside of the pot is coated with miso paste, and oysters, tofu, and vegetables are simmered in it. The oyster flavor permeates the soup, making it a winter treat that warms you from the inside out. Dotenabe is characterized by the richness of the miso paste, making it the perfect dish for cold days. 3. Sukiyaki. A popular winter treat, sukiyaki is a dish made by simmering beef, tofu, green onions, shiitake mushrooms, and other ingredients in a sweet and spicy sauce. The way it is made differs between the Kanto and Kansai regions, with Kanto using sauce and Kansai generally adding seasonings after grilling the beef directly. You can enjoy the mellow flavor by dipping it in egg. 4. Fugu hot pot tekiri. Fugu hot pot tekiri is a high-class winter hot pot dish in which fillets of fugu are simmered in kelp broth. It is typically served with a refreshing ponzu sauce, and is characterized by its light yet deep flavor. Fugu milt is also delicious, with a rich flavor. Fugu dishes are particularly popular in Shimonoseki, Yamaguchi Prefecture. Summary. This time, we have further expanded our list of special dishes to be eaten in each of Japan's seasons, introducing 16 dishes. Japanese food culture is deeply connected to the 4 seasons, and you can enjoy dishes that make use of seasonal ingredients. Please try dishes made with seasonal ingredients and experience the charm of Japan's 4 seasons. If you found this video interesting or helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give it a high rating. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.